नजर आ रही है। मेहताब आलम, बेहद शुक्रिया आपका। काकतिया मेगा टेक्सटाइल कंपनी तेलंगाना में 1000 करोड़ रुपए की सरमायाकारी करने जा रही है। ग्रुप के एमडी साबू जैकब का कहना है कि सूती धागों का इस्तेमाल करके नवजायदा बच्चों के कपड़े तैयार किए जाएंगे। कंपनी का मकसद अपने प्रोडक्ट्स को तेलंगाना में फरोग देना है। साबू जैकब तेलंगाना हुकूमत की सरमायाकार दोस्त पॉलिसी से बेहद मुतासिर हैं और अपने कारोबार को यहाँ वुसअत देने के ख्वाहिशमंद हैं।
Mr. Sabu Jacob, who is the MD of Kitex Group and who has announced 1000 crore investment here in Telangana. Sir, many congratulations to you, and you came here in Hyderabad first time and you had planned the investment of 1000 crore. What is your, what the investment would be and how would it would perform?
Yeah, actually, this is for a textile park we are looking for. And because Andhra, is the good for, all the cotton. So we are trying to utilize that cotton. So our plan is to set up one spinning, knitting, and cutting and making garments.
So, in principle, you are agreed, but no MOU has been signed yet. So, what time duration you seek for that?
Today also, we are going to have some more discussions with the higher officials, and we are extending our trip. So, basically, maybe next week our technical team will come over here, and other feasibility, all that, we'll do the final the area and everything. Then hopefully I think I'll be back within 2 weeks time to sign the final agreement.
So in any other segments you are looking for something, for investment, or you're looking for it?
Yeah, yesterday actually we visited the Textile Park. Today we are going to another place. And of course, yes, because we are looking for different options, not only textiles, spices, aluminium, different industry. So we are a group of different products.
What is the exact reason why you had roll back from Kerala? What do you...
See, actually we started in 1968. It's a 53 years old company. And almost 15,000 people working in our different groups. Almost 7 products. But I can say fortunately or unfortunately, Kerala, a lot of problems, political issues, bureaucratical issues. So we think this is a time to move out. So we are searching for the places, different states, options. And what we found, Telangana government and especially the minister, industries minister, he is very dynamic, aggressive. So that's why, we are here now. See, we had problems, several years. We had problems in 73, 77, 88, 93, 99, 2001. It's a regular affair in Kerala. It's nothing special, now. My father started this business just to give the employment, basically, to Keralites. But unfortunately, I can say, the situation is not good. So there's no any other option for us. So we have decided.
You said situation is not good, but the CM said that they are the industrial friendly government.
See, anyone can talk, but the reality is different. Even the industries minister in Kerala, he talks every day. This is the best place to invest. Now, till last year, we were, I think, number 18, and now it is 28. So that shows, the reality. And of course, the Telangana is number 1. So that's why, our first choice was Telangana. And what I felt, we are here. This is the second day for me. When I met the minister, even before that, we had 2-3 times, we had discussions over phone with his full team. And I found him something different than a politician. I can say that. Because his approach is purely professional approach.
Sir,
So he can understand what a businessman or an investor required. So it's easy to explain.
कोरोना वबा के दौरान बाहमी इमदाद और इन्हिसार का जज्बा मुस्तहकम हुआ है। मुल्क इस वबा से मुतहिद होकर मुकाबला कर रहा है। टीकाकारी के ऐलान के बाद हम बेहतर ताउन करें जिससे हम कोरोना को मात देने की जानिब कदम बढ़ा सके। नेटवर्क 18 इस मुहिम में हर कदम पर आपके साथ रहेगा। जब तक सभी महफूज नहीं तब तक कोई भी महफूज नहीं होगा। इसी सोच की बुनियाद पर हमारी मुहिम संजीवनी का मकसद ये यकीनी बनाना है कि वैक्सीन पाना सभी हिंदुस्तानियों का हक है।